today's video of Math Strategies Made Simple with Mrs. Braun. Today we're going to look at a way to represent addition of multi-digit numbers. So let's get started. For example, if we have the problem 32 plus 47, I'm going to represent both of these numbers using base 10 drawings or base 10 representation over here on the map. So I'm going to start with 32. I can see in the ones place that there's a 2. So I'm going to represent that with 2 ones over here. And then moving next to that, I've got 3 tens. And there's no hundreds in this column, so I'm not going to draw anything in that hundreds place. So this representation together shows 32. Now let's look at 47. There's a 7 in the ones place, so I'm going to draw 7 ones. And then there's a 4 in the tens place, so I'm going to draw 4 tens. Again, there's no hundreds in this problem, and so I'm not going to draw anything in the hundreds place. But I'm going to combine these numbers because I'm adding. So I'm going to start with the ones place, and I'm going to count to see that there are 9 ones in that column. So over here underneath the ones, I'm going to put a 9. And then in the tens place, I can see that there are 7 tens, so I'm going to put a 7. Let's take a look at another example. Let's look at 146 plus 38. Again, I'm going to represent both of these numbers using base 10 representation, starting with 146. I can see in the ones place that there's 6, so I'm going to draw 6 ones. In the tens place, there's 4, so I'm going to put 4 tens. And in the hundreds place, there's a 1, so I'm going to draw 1 hundredths block. Then I'm going to move down to 38, and I'm going to represent 38 the same way. There's 8 in the ones place, so I'm going to draw 8 ones. And then there's 3 in the tens place, so I'm going to draw 3 tens. Now I'm still adding, so I'm combining these numbers together, so I'm going to see how many I have in each column. So in the ones place, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I cannot write 14 in the ones place because what would happen if I continue to add, I would get this answer, 1,714, which does not make sense and is not correct because I do not have 1,714 represented here in the problem or in my representation. So I've got to do something, and what I do is I regroup. So I'm going to take 10 of these ones, and I'm going to change the way that they look, and I'm going to turn them into 1 10, which leaves me with 4 ones. So I move those into the tens place by adding 1 10. Now I have the 4 here. I have now 8 tens, because the 1 plus 4 plus 3, I now have 8, and then I have the 100th block. Let's take a look at one more example. Let's take a look at 235 plus 197. Now, again, I'm going to represent both of these numbers. 235, I've got 5 in the ones place. Let me draw 5 ones. I've got 3 tens, and I've got 2 hundreds. Now, I'm going to look at 197. In the ones place, I've got 7, so again, I'm going to draw 7 ones. And the tens, I've got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in the hundreds, I have 1. So now I'm going to combine these numbers to see what my sum or my total amount is. Starting in the ones place, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, I have more than 9, and so I'm going to have to regroup. So I'm going to take 10 of those ones. I'm just going to change the way they look. I'm not changing the value, but I'm going to turn them into 110, which leaves me with 2 ones. Then I regroup up into the tens place. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, I'm going to take 10 of those tens now, change the way they look. 10 tens is the same as 100, which leaves me with 3 tens in the tens place. I regroup 10 of them up to make 100, which now I have 4 hundredths. All right, here's one for you to try at home. 532 plus 184. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you again soon.